Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Trust you go. Today we'll be making padded headband. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's get started. So these are the list of the things you need for this project. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. So first of all, you measure the headband. The headband there is actually 14.5 inches. So once you have that, you reach out for your glue and then apply it on the foam. My foam here is not that thick, so that is why I need to keep piling it and folding it and applying glue. Assuming I have a full one, I won't have to go through all this process, but this was what I could find based on the budget. I have to go cheap, don't blame me. So I've folded this 4 times now, and I have to trim the excess on the side. Then I fold this to find out if it is okay and exactly what I need. Then I apply glue to hold the headband with the foam. After this has been done, I need to trim the excess on the side and also to get the exact shape that is required. So once this has been done, that is not the end of it, because we actually need it to be fully padded. So you reach out for your tape ruler and measure 10 inches and fold in 3 places. After you folded in 3 places, then you cut the excess on the side and apply more glue to hold it together. After that, you attach this to the previous glued headband. Then you take your time and let it settle. Then you have to trim out the excess, the bulky part on the side, so it won't look funny and all that. So you just do this, in a smooth and nice way, and don't rush. So after that has been done, you reach out for your fabric. My fabric is actually 23 inches by 9 inches. So I check out if it is okay. It is better for it to be excess than for it to be short. So now I'm applying glue on the upper part of the foam. So you have to apply this excessively, and don't let it stain or mess everything up. Just be quiet and smooth about it. Then you start folding inward and applying it and also stretching it, so it won't be tacky and looking awesome some kind. After this has been done, reach out for your thread and needle and you start holding this inward. You need to start sewing it inward and trim the excess on the tip. Then get your glue, apply your glue. Then after it has all together, you still go back to your thread and needle and keep tacking until you get the desired result and shape that is required. So you keep on doing this until you reach the old range of the curve underneath the headband. So this might take a while, but gradually, take your time, you get it. This project actually took me about 4 hours to finish, as in hands down. I thought this particular style was going to be easy, but it wasn't. I sweat down, but don't let me discourage you. Being the first time I'm actually doing this, so that's why I had to take long in doing it. So you just have to clean up the edges and let it look nice and neat. We don't want it looking tacky and cheap and all that. We don't want our secret to be hard. Anyway, DIY is always fun anyways. So you get your ribbon and you measure 15 inches and apply glue on the lower part of the ribbon. This you are going to attach underneath the previously stitched underneath the headband. So you take your time and just place it gently. So use your fingers to press it down and let it lay flat and cut off the excess. Then you measure 3 inches in 2 places. This we are going to apply glue on, and that will wrap around the edges to make it look neat and presentable. So you wrap this around the edges, take your time and don't apply too much glue so that it won't be messy. So repeat the same process for the other side as well and wrap it around it and give it this clean finished look. Next, we move to the embellishment or accessories. Whatever you have, you can use pearls, you can use whatever accessories you can come across. Just arrange it whichever way you desire, but normally I would have used glue, but my glue has been home for a long time, so it's kind of like sticky and it's not doing the job I actually want it to do. So that is why I'm using thread and needle to tack it down. And also this is good for me because I can actually lose this and use the headband plain without the embellishment on it. You can add as many accessories as you desire, you understand. I just want mine to look kind of like queenish, like I'm a queen, and this is what it looks like afterwards. So let's say the final look. Yes, I'm rocking it. It really looks good on me. If you are still watching this and you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to check out our previous post, how to quickly and easily fix a zipper, DIY drawstring crop top from old t-shirt, and a host of others. So that's it about the first design, and this is the second look. So once again, we measure the headband. This one is actually 15 inches. You measure 15 inches on your foam and cut this. After it has been cut, you fold this into two. You can see that I didn't actually use a lot of foam like the first one, because of this design is actually different from the first one. Also, I added 1 inches on the sides of the fabric, which is a bit bigger than the foam folded combined. So now I'm folding the fabric, and also the foam inward. Then I reached out for my thread and needle and I start tacking from the center of the headband. Ensure that the fabric edges are folded inward, with the foam, so that it can look neat. And then get your thread and needle and start tacking this at the center. So just, keep doing it and repeating it, downward to the edge of the headband. So this might take a while, but don't rush. So once you are through with one side and you cut off the excess, then you move to the second part. This might take a while as well, but don't rush. This design is more faster than the first design. So once that has been done, you reach out for the excess fabric that you have. I measured 10.5 inches. Mind you, it's folded into two, so which makes it 21 inches long. The folded into, that is 10.5. So I cut off the excesses on the side and make sure it is, well laid and well arranged. Then I folded the fabric into 3 equal parts and I cut this out. Now I have 3 equal straight and long fabric. So I got myself an heavy object which I can place on this fabric so it will prevent it from moving. First, I folded the fabric in 2 and laid them flat on top of each other, after which I carried the heavy object and placed it on it and I start weaving the fabric. So just make sure you weave it loosely, not too tight and very loose. Once this has been done, reach out for your thread and needle and tack the tip together. Trim the excess if is required, and just take your time and make sure you arrange the lower part, the edges, you arrange it properly and tack this down. Do this for the other side as well. And once this has been done, you can place it on your headband, just to test how it looks, and this will help you to measure where exactly to place it and how to place it. But before then, you have to use your fingers to loosen the weave so it to be even. Then place it on the headband and attach it to the side with the thread and needle. So just take your time while you're doing this and make sure you're sewing, your stitches are kind of like hidden, not too obvious and all that, because we still have to finish the edges. You have to do the same thing for the other edge as well. So you tack it down with a thread and needle, and after that has been done, you cut off the excess fabric or whatever, and also you go back to loosening the weave with your fingers. Once this has been done, then we reach out for the glue once more and apply it directly on the fabric. So just apply the glue and don't mess it up. Just take your time when you're doing it. Then you can place the weaved fabric on top of the glue and use your hand to separate it, just to give this nice finished look and make it look neat and all that. Then you get little fabric, probably about 2 inches wide, and you wrap it around the edges, just to neaten it up, and then you use your thread and needle to tack this down. So you do this for the first side, and then you do this again second edge. So guys, don't forget to check out our previous post, unboxing Converse unisex all-star high top, easy way to turn your old jean into a denim skirt, and how to tie dye with bleach and water, and a host of others. So guys, the cost of making this project is actually 16 lira, which is about $1.50. So it's actually cheap, and the fabric I use are from the previous t-shirts, and they have a home. So this is the end result, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you try it too and share your project with me. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching this and you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. We'd love to have you as part of our DIY family. And if you're already a subscriber, I got my love for you. Please don't forget to share this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video link, and drop a comment. Bye. See you on Friday.